Hi, my name is Jason G. Banyares, students of College of Agriculture, major in crop science at Isabela State University, reporting about hydroponics for leafy vegetables. Objectives of hydroponics for leafy vegetables: to conserve water by preventing evaporation and runoff, to supply the ideal nutritional environment for optimum plant performance, to enhance plant yield. What is hydroponics? Hydroponics is simply the growing of plants without soil. Plants don't need soil, but they do need vitamins and minerals that soil can provide for them. Plants also need light, water, carbon dioxide, and oxygen at the root zone. In hydroponics, plants are grown in an inert medium such as rocks or cocoa coir fiber, and they are fed a solution containing a perfected mix of primary, secondary, and micronutrients. Almost any kind of plants can be grown hydroponically, including veggies, herbs, fruits, and flowers. History of hydroponics. The word hydroponics comes from two Greek words, hydro meaning water and ponos meaning labor. The word was first used in 1929 by Dr. Jericho, a California professor who began to develop what previously had been a laboratory technique into a commercial means of growing plants. The U.S. Army used hydroponic culture to grow fresh food for troops stationed on Interfield Pacific Island during World War II. By the 1950s, there were viable commercial farms in America, Europe, Africa, and Asia. Kinds of hydroponic systems. Water culture. The water culture system is the simplest of all active hydroponic systems. The platform that holds the plants is usually made of styrofoam and floats directly on the nutrient solutions. Next is wick system. The wick system is by far the simplest type of hydroponic system, which means there are no moving parts. Next is nutrient film technique. This is the kind of hydroponic system most people think of when they think about hydroponics. NFT system have a constant flow of nutrient solution, so no timer required for the submersible pump. Next is aeroponic. The aeroponic system is probably the most high-tech type of hydroponic gardening. Like the NFT system, above the growing medium is primarily air. Next is drip system. Drip systems are probably the most widely used type of hydroponic system in the world. Operation is simple, a time controller submerged pump. So, taking care of plants. Different crops are planted at different spacing. Small growing plants can be planted close to each other. Large growing plants need more space further apart. Water flow must be checked every day and adjusted when necessary. If plants turn yellow, it is normally a symptom of nutrient deficiency, too little light, or diseases. Inspect the leaves every day for disease symptoms and insects. Act immediately if a problem occurs. Tall plants need to be trained and pruned to make optimal use of the expensive greenhouse space. Advantages of hydroponics. No soil is needed. The water stays in the system and can be reused, thus lower water costs. It is possible to control the nutrition levels in their entirety, thus lower nutrition costs. No nutrition pollution is released into the environment because of the controlled system. Stable high yields. Pests and diseases are easier to get rid of than in soil because of the container's mobility. Disadvantages of hydroponics. The hydroponic condition, presence of fertilizer and high humidity, create an environment that stimulates salmonella growth. Another disadvantage is pathogen attacks, including damp off due to wet caused by the high moisture levels associated with hydroponics and overwatering of soil-based plants. Also, many hydroponic plants require different fertilizers and containment system. Differences between hydroponic vegetable production and soil production. Hydroponic, no soil is required. Number 2, plants are irrigated automatically. Number 3, nutrients are available at all times. Only soluble fertilizers are used. Number 4, soil-borne disease can be eliminated. Number 5, hydroponic production is not organic because artificial nutrients are always used and plants are usually not grown in soil. In field production, number 1, good topsoil is required. Number 2, plants need to be irrigated to minimize water stress. Number 3, nutrients must be added to soil. Number 4, soil-borne disease can build up in the soil. Number 5, it is possible to produce organic vegetables in soil because one can use organic fertilizers such as compost and manure. So these are the example of hydroponic plants in hydroponic tomato and hydroponic pechay, hydroponic lettuce, and hydroponic onion. Hydroponic versus soil plant. Grown hydroponically, big plant, small roots versus grown in soil, small plant, big roots. Conclusions. Hydroponics is extending worldwide, and such systems offer many new alternatives and opportunities for growers and consumers to have productions with high quality, including vegetables enhanced with bioactive compounds. This chapter presented a general overview about the role of hydroponics in the enhancement of these important types of non-essential nutrients. And based on the above discussion, it seems that hydroponics can be essential instrument to have vegetable with high nutritional quality. However, both hydroponics and soil-based production systems require proper control, and they must be implemented correctly with full respect with plant needs, soil, water, environment, growers, and consumer safety. So that's all. Thank you.